You can actually turn jealousy into something positive, and I will tell you about it in this video. It is essentially how you can make jealousy a beneficial thing rather than being something harmful. Hi guys, I'm Ishita and welcome to my channel. So, I have been asked by my friend in the past if I ever get jealous of someone else, and my simple answer would be a no, and I do have a reason behind it. Me personally, I am a competitive person, but I do not compete with anyone else because for competition, you need to have a similar basis. And other than someone else being a human like you essentially do not have a lot of things in common. You grew up in a very different environment, you had your own set of problems, your issues, and whatnot. So, I don't feel it fair for me to compare myself with others. So my only competition is me myself, and I just need to get better than who I am right now. So this is what goes on in my brain. No two people are the same, and because everyone has their own set of issues, I do not want a life exactly like theirs. So why would I get jealous of them? When when I can easily just trust my own potential, and if I like something in their life, a part of their life that they have achieved, I can achieve that too. Also, if you are someone who is jealous of someone else, don't worry. It is just basic human nature to want better things for yourself. But as I see it, jealousy has a deeper meaning to it. So let's discuss that. It shows you what you are lacking in your life or something that you wish to achieve. Rather than viewing it with envy or something that is unattainable, start seeing it as a life goal and it just becomes a very different picture for you. See, we just made jealousy into something positive by making it into a life goal. See and observe what the other person did to achieve that, and also observe people with similar backgrounds, and also people who have achieved the same thing. Maybe they would have essentially chosen different paths and have different circumstances to it. So look into that, and also make sure that it is a morally correct path to achieve that thing, to achieve that goal. So I say the best step to start it is by preparing a mood board. So open up Pinterest and find pictures that relate to your life goal, make it a collage, and there you go, you have a mood board. And plan a strategy, maybe even ask for mentorship. And even leaving jealousy aside, you could even talk to the person that has that specific thing already achieved. Put your ego aside and ask them, and a lot of times, these people will help you out. The world is your oyster and the universe is unlimited. So, why are you putting limitations onto your own self? Rather than trying and doing several different things and trying to figure out what you actually want to do in life, I think jealousy makes it a lot easier. Also, if you are someone who doesn't get jealous of others, but you definitely know that a certain other person is getting jealous of you, take that also as a positive sign, because it is very easy for other people to see the potential in you. Also, if you are getting jealous of someone else's achievements or something that they have, make sure you put a boundary there and try not to mix envy with jealousy, because you should not hurt the other person in any way. You just have to take inspiration from them to achieve that same thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I will see you in my next video.